From Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. This classification has the following 3 subcategories, out of 3 overall. The following 35 pages remain in this category, out of 35 total. This list may not show current modifications. Discover more. Maker weapon efficient in relatively heavy sustained fire. A heavy device weapon or HMG is a class of full-powered rifle cartridge device gun indicating greater qualities than general function and medium machine guns. There are 2 typically recognized classes of weapons identified as heavy gatling gun. The first are weapons from World War I identified as heavy due to the weight and cumbersomeness of the weapons themselves, which avoids infantrymen from transferring on foot. 7x99 mm, 12. 7,108 mm, 14. 114 mm, or larger. Maker guns, originated by John Browning with the M2 Gatling gun, designed to supply increased efficient range, penetration and devastating power versus covers, automobiles, airplane and light buildings / fortifications beyond the standard caliber rifle cartridges used in fight rifle. These fired standard rifle cartridges such as the 7.92 Mauser, 303 British or 7.62 mmR, however featured heavy construction, fancy mountings, and water cooling mechanisms that enabled long-range sustained automatic fire with exceptional precision. However, these benefits came at the expense of being too cumbersome to move rapidly, in addition to needing a team of several soldiers to run them. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.